In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix spell check not working in Microsoft Teams. If you've noticed that your messages aren't being highlighted for spelling errors, don't worry, I'm here to help you get that feature back on track. Let's begin by ensuring that spell check is enabled within your Teams application. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once the application is up, look for the three horizontal dots which you'll find in the top right corner. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a variety of options. You'll want to scroll under the General tab. There you'll find an option for spell check. Make sure that the box next to spell check is checked. If it wasn't originally checked and you've just selected it, you will need to restart Teams for this change to take effect. Now, if after doing this, the spell check still isn't working, don't worry, there is another solution. We can try clearing the Microsoft Teams cache, which can sometimes fix the problem. The first step is to completely quit Microsoft Teams. Once you've done that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open up the Run dialog box. Here, type in the command that I'm displaying on screen to locate the Teams cache folder. Once inside, you'll want to delete all files in both the cache and TMP folders. With this done, restart Microsoft Teams and sign back in. This fresh start can often resolve any lingering issues that might be disrupting the spell check feature. However, if you find that neither of these options has done the trick, we have one more solution to try: updating or even reinstalling Microsoft Teams. Sometimes, a glitch like this can be caused by an outdated version of the application. Start by uninstalling Teams from your computer. Make sure it's completely removed before proceeding. Next, visit the official Microsoft Teams website and download the latest version of the app. Once the download is complete, reinstall the application and log in. This updated version should have all the necessary bug fixes and improvements, including the spell check feature being restored to full functionality. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have your spell check feature up and running again in no time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and troubleshooting guides.